My experience with the CSTEP Winter Internship was really valuable because it gave me real exposure to optometry and helped me connect what I'm learning in school to actual patient care.
I gained a lot of hands-on experience shadowing many different doctors, and I was able to learn more about the resources that will help me succeed in optometry school.
I came in here in the beginning wanting community mostly, and I actually really found that, and plus more, like I found that it doesn't have to always just be serious. Like there was a lot of fun moments, and I learned a lot about like the scope of optometry, which was very encouraging.
I learned a lot during this internship, from clinical observations, OAT preparation, and professional development.
I think it's been really good to really meet other people in the field and get like a more broad idea of what optometry really is.
I've loved the connections I've made. I've loved being able to network with the doctors here, the optometrists, and the other students.
I got to learn so much about eye care. My favorite part was clinical observations, as I got to see real life exposure and patient interactions.
It's given me a lot of hands-on exposure to a lot of the eye optometry care field. Not only has it done that, but I've also gotten the exposure to shadow a lot of professionals in the eye optometry.
I've definitely received a lot of like hands-on experience and also just like a good exposure to the optometry field, like especially through like the shadowing, and also when we had like the faculty come in to talk about their work.
It really confirmed that optometry is the right career for me, and it really put forward that this is something that I want to do in the future.
One thing that has surprised me the most about eye care is how integrated everything is, how your eyes are able to tell you if you have any underlying conditions or diseases that's going on in your body.
There's definitely way more different types of things we do with eye care that I wasn't aware about, like vision rehab. I didn't know that was a thing, and how everything is like connected in a way. It's not always about the eyes, it's also about like everything that's going on in your body.
The thing that surprised me most was how important eyes are to our overall health. Like, no one realizes how important eyes are to the whole body as a system.
I didn't realize like how different things can influence like your vision. Like this patient, she was doing chemo and it made her eyes really dry, and I never thought that chemo could do that.
Definitely the diversity in patients and also practices, especially in pediatrics. Like there's like different examinations like targeted to help like children.
And something that really surprised me was how infants see things. So infants don't really have a peripheral vision, so they really only see what's in front of them. So when you play peekaboo with like an infant, they actually think you disappear. And I thought that was a really fun fact.
I've learned so far that optometrists are very collaborative. That isn't something that I was aware of before, because as a patient, you typically see optometrists come in as a duo to basically recheck each other, but behind the scenes.
What has surprised me most about eye care has definitely been the community and a sense of family that is found in optometry. I feel like the fourth year students, or like the students in SUNY Optometry in general, are really well acquainted with each other, and they're open to helping each other out whenever they need.
I didn't realize how impactful it is for a patient because it helps them with their daily functioning and independence. And seeing the patient-provider interactions made me realize and appreciate of how eye care combines precision, compassion, and long-term patient relationship.